Well, here we have a question that requires that you know how to enter large numbers into a WebAssign question. It's pretty straightforward. It asks about the speed of light, one of the constants that's used on every AP exam, at least in one calculation. And the speed of light is given here on the equations constant sheet, which is given on the exam. Here it is. 2.99 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. A beam of light will travel almost to the moon in 1 second. Now, if you try and type that answer in as is, 2.998, and then try to use a times or a asterisk and a little caret here to get an uppercase 8, even though the number looks right, when you submit this, and I'll scroll down to do a submit on this question, we'll get it automatically graded, and it says your answer can't be understood. That's because this type of answer is just, number is not allowable by WebAssign. It doesn't understand this as a multiplication sign. It doesn't understand this caret. Instead, you're going to have to use E notation, which is pretty constant for most entries in computer stuff. It's just a simple E that stands for times 10 to, and here we'll put the 8. So that makes the entry really easy, but still there's a problem with this, as if I type this in, it's going to see this space and it's going to reject that. When you put an E notation in, you have to make sure that there isn't a space. I'll submit this and you'll see that I've got it wrong this time, and that's because of this space. So you wouldn't put a space between these numbers in your answer. You would make everything together here as one unit, and we've got here is meters per second. So let's submit this to get, we hope, the answer checked. And here we go. We've got that beautiful green check mark. In this case, because I've got the teacher point of view on this, it also shows the expected answer. Well, that's it. That's how to use E notation and some of the problems involved in using it.